bathroom has been framed in. Heel. Doing the inspection. Looks like they put the flooring on. I can't really. Anyway, that flooring there is going to be used to hold the water heater that will be used for the recirculation system and the floor heat. This is where the manifold will be. This has been framed in today. And on top of the or maybe behind this wall, I'm not sure which, we'll put the tankless water heater for the bathroom. It'll be a tankless water heater. You can see what he's made some notes, how he wants the vanity light on top. Fan only, and then a separate switch for the light. That's 5 feet. And you can see some of the other notes about the SS means switch, outside, inside, inside light, outside light. And then we're gonna have lights out there. Light there. Light there. And then a light there. 2 lights spaced on thirds right up on top. We didn't mark where the outlets are going. They're all going to be 20 amp outlets. 3-way, just with shop lights. 3 switches, 3-way switches. Outdoor. And we got more openers. Outlet. 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 And I put all the outlets at this height rather than down low, because if I'm plugging stuff in, there's no need to bend down. I'm old. And that's it. He's still doing the site inspection because he knows somebody's been in here. He also saw a cat in here yesterday, or he smelled a cat. He didn't see the cat. right in the mud. See if I can get him away from this mud. It's been raining a good part of 2 weeks. Here. Oh, that's a good rock to keep. I may even just leave it right there. Here. Come over here. Hurry up. Sit. Hey. Did I say sit? Finally.